So I had 4 of these beams right here. It's hollow inside. I cut those up yesterday using the handheld bandsaw, and once I cut a corner, I was able to get a blade in, and I just went around like that to get them into manageable pieces to take them out of here. I went through all those blades. It's about $20 worth of blades. This is a carbon tipped one that this failed almost immediately. These did better, but I could probably get a little more out of them. But that wasn't, I got that metal gone. I've got these big tubes right here. These are like, I think it's 3/8 thick. And I'm going with the Diablo Steel Demon right here. And I've already put a cut in like that. And I'm gonna cut all this stuff up. This piece is still really heavy, but I can manage it. I've got 2 cut. It is starting to seem a little bit dull, but this is really 3/8 or something. I've got 1 more cut on this pipe, and then I gotta cut this one up. This is 3/8 also. Pretty sure, yeah, that's super thick. So also make sure you wear eye protection, like all the way, if you have glasses on or whatever, all the way around your eyes. It's a lot of metal shards.